Daniel Williams, the former drummer of American metalcore band The Devil Wears Prada, has died in a devastating plane crash in San Diego. He was just 39 years old. The incident took place early Thursday morning. The crash also claimed the life of 42-year-old Dave Shapiro. Shapiro was a well known music agent and co founder of Sound Talent Group. The two were traveling on the same private jet when tragedy struck. The plane, which had departed from Teterboro Airport in New Jersey, made a refueling stop in Wichita, Kansas. It was headed to Montgomery Gibbs Executive Airport in San Diego. At approximately 3:45 a.m. local time, the jet lost engine control and crashed into the Murphy Canyon area. The neighborhood is known for its Navy housing. The crash set several homes and parked vehicles on fire. Witnesses reported chaos as flames engulfed the area. Some residents were injured while trying to escape. A few were hospitalized for smoke inhalation. Daniel's father, Larry Williams, told reporters he's certain there were no survivors. The Federal Aviation Administration has not confirmed the total number of fatalities, but it is believed that 6 people were on board. Sound Talent Group later confirmed that 3 of the victims were the employees, and in a statement to Billboard, the agency said, and I quote, "We are devastated by the loss of our co founder, colleagues, and friends. Our hearts go out to their families and to everyone impacted by today's tragedy." End quote. The Devil Wears Prada posted a photo of Daniel behind his drum kit with a short caption: "No words, we owe you everything, love you forever." Daniel Williams had been with the band from 2005 to 2016. He was instrumental in shaping their early sound and success. Albums like With Roots Above and Branches Below, Zombie EP, and Death Throne marked his legacy. Shockingly, just hours before the crash, Williams posted an Instagram story from the cockpit. In the photo, he wrote, "Hey, hey, you look at me, I'm the co pilot now." Dave Shapiro, who also died in the crash, was a key figure in the music industry. He worked with major acts like Sum 41, Pierce the Veil, and I Prevail. He was a licensed pilot and reportedly owned the aircraft. In 2019, Williams had survived a mass shooting at a bar in Dayton, Ohio. 9 people were killed and 27 injured. Daniel shared his experience online, saying he had never been so scared in his life. He recalled people piling on top of each other to escape the bullets. From surviving gunfire in Ohio to dying in a plane crash over California, Daniel Williams' life was one marked by extreme highs and devastating lows. His final public words, "I am the co pilot now," will now be remembered with heartbreak. Investigations into the crash are ongoing. The FAA has promised a full inquiry into what went wrong in the air that night.